Welcome back to everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We dive into all things automotive, especially motorcycles, so if you're a fan of powerful bikes and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a legendary motorcycle that's always set the bar for luxury and performance in the touring world. That's right, the 2025 Honda Goldwing. We've seen various evolutions of the Goldwing over the years, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Whether you're an existing Goldwing rider or someone considering your next Grand Tourer, you'll want to stick around because we're going to break down everything that makes the 2025 Honda Goldwing a bike worth considering. So, grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoy the content. And if you're passionate about motorcycles or just want to learn more, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about the Goldwing, whether you're a longtime fan or this is your first look. Alright, let's talk about the 2025 Honda Goldwing. The 2025 Honda Goldwing is not just another motorcycle, it's an icon in the world of touring bikes. The Goldwing series has been around for decades, offering riders one of the most comfortable and luxurious touring experiences on two wheels. For 2025, Honda has enhanced the Goldwing with a mix of subtle refinements, cutting-edge technology, and the cool elements that have made it a top contender in the touring category. The heart of any motorcycle is its engine, and the 2025 Honda Goldwing continues to offer an engine that delivers on both power and smoothness. It comes with a 1833cc horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, a signature feature of the Goldwing since its inception. The flat six engine configuration allows for better weight distribution and a low center of gravity, which results in a smoother and more smoother ride. For 2025, Honda has made refinements to the engine to improve overall performance and efficiency. It produces around 125 horsepower and 125 lp-ft of torque, giving you plenty of power whether you're cruising on highways or tackling winding mountain roads. This engine is mated to a 6-speed DCT dual-clutch transmission for standard, and there's also an option for a manual transmission for those who prefer a more traditional riding experience. What's great about this engine is the smoothness. Whether you're accelerating, decelerating, or cruising at a steady pace, the Goldwing six-cylinder engine gives you a seamless, vibration-free experience. Honda's engineers have also focused on reducing engine heat, which can be an issue with larger engines. So the 2025 Goldwing offers improved heat management to keep you comfortable during long rides. When it comes to fuel economy, the 2025 Goldwing offers around 40 and 45 mpg, which is impressive for a touring bike of its size. This makes it ideal for those long-haul rides without worrying about frequent fuel stops. With a fuel tank capacity of 5.55 gallons, you'll be able to cover a good distance before needing to refuel. The 2025 Honda Goldwing comes with a state-of-the-art chassis designed for maximum comfort and stability. The frame is a lightweight, twin-spar aluminum structure that contributes to the bike's excellent handling and low weight. This is one of the factors that sets the Goldwing apart from other touring motorcycles, as it feels more agile and easier to maneuver than you might expect from a bike of its size. The front suspension features a double wishbone design, which is a first for the Goldwing. This suspension setup helps reduce the impact of bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smoother ride. The rear suspension is a ProLink single-sided swing arm, which is also tuned for comfort and performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Goldwing is its electronically adjustable suspension. Using the bike's advanced onboard electronics, you can adjust the suspension to suit your riding style or road conditions. This means whether you're riding on a smooth highway or a more rugged, bumpy road, you can fine-tune your suspension to give you the perfect balance of comfort and performance. When it comes to touring, comfort is key, and Honda understands that. The 2025 Goldwing offers a host of features designed to ensure you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. Let's start with the seat. The Goldwing seat is plush and well-cushioned, with a design that provides plenty of support for both the rider and passenger. The seat has been ergonomically designed to reduce pressure points, making long-distance touring a breeze. By 2025, Honda has refined the seating position to make it even more comfortable. The rider's seat is adjustable, so you can find the perfect position for your height and riding style. The passenger seat is also spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and support for long rides. To make things even better, the backrest is adjustable, so both the rider and passenger can find their ideal comfort level. The handlebars are adjustable as well, which allows for fine-tuning the riding position. Whether you prefer a more upright stance or a sportier lean-forward position, the Goldwing accommodates different preferences. One of the most luxurious features of the Goldwing is the integrated audio and infotainment system. The 2025 model comes with a large 7-inch full-color touchscreen display that serves as the hub for navigation, entertainment, and communication. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, so you can easily connect your smartphone to access music, maps, calls, and messages. The audio system itself is high quality, delivering clear sound even at highway speeds. There's also an option for a premium audio system, which includes speakers and an amplifier that provide even richer sound quality. For even more convenience, the 2025 Goldwing features a push-button start, keyless ignition, and a large, easy-to-use display that gives you quick access to all the bike's settings. This includes cruise control, which is ideal for those long straight roads where you can sit back, relax, and let the bike do the work. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Honda Goldwing is packed with features that will keep you safe and secure on your journey. One of the most notable features is the inclusion of Honda's Advanced Rider Attention Monitor. This system tracks your riding patterns and provides feedback if it detects signs of fatigue or distraction, ensuring you stay alert on long rides. The Goldwing also comes equipped with Honda's Advanced Traction Control System, which helps prevent wheel slip in slippery conditions, such as wet or gravel roads. This adds an extra layer of confidence, especially if you plan to ride in varying weather conditions. For additional safety, the 2025 Goldwing features an improved braking system. The bike comes with a dual chain link ABS system, which gives you more control during hard braking. The braking system works in conjunction with the bike's cornering ABS, which helps maintain stability when leaning into turns and applying the brakes. To top it all off, the 2025 Goldwing offers a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, which alerts you if your tire pressure drops below optimal levels, helping prevent potential tire issues during your ride. Now, let's talk about the design of the 2025 Honda Goldwing. The Goldwing has always been known for its bold, distinct design, and for 2025, Honda has refined it to be sleeker and more modern without losing its iconic touring look. The front fairing has been redesigned for improved aerodynamics and better wind protection, which makes the bike even more comfortable on long-distance rides. The new fairing not only provides better protection from the elements, but also adds to the bike's overall sporty aesthetic. The rear end of the bike features a more streamlined look, with the integrated saddlebags being slightly smaller and more refined. These bags offer plenty of storage space for your gear, and their new design complements the bike's more modern look. Honda offers the 2025 Goldwing in several color options, including metallic and matte finishes, so you can choose the one that best suits your personal style. The 2025 Honda Goldwing comes in several different trims to suit a variety of preferences and budgets. The base model, which offers the essential features and the standard DCT transmission, is priced starting at around $24,000. The Tour model, which includes additional luxury features like the premium audio system, electrically adjustable windshield, and additional comfort features, starts at around $27,000. For those who want all the bells and whistles, the Goldwing Tour airbag model, which includes Honda's advanced airbag system for added safety, can be had for approximately $29,000. Prices may vary depending on location and dealer-specific offers, but this gives you a general idea of where the 2025 Goldwing stands in terms of price. The 2025 Goldwing is expected to be available in dealerships in early 2025. So if you're interested, it's a good idea to start talking to your local dealer to get your hands on one when they arrive. Alright, that's a wrap on the 2025 Honda Goldwing overview. Whether you're looking for a luxurious touring bike with advanced features, or just want to learn more about this incredible machine, the 2025 Goldwing offers everything you could want and more. It's clear that Honda has put a lot of thought into making the thing you want to buy. So drop into your local Thanks for Waking, and please subscribe my YouTube channel